tent, we realize that the greatest thing about shade is the people behind it. We understand that creating shade isn't just about creating a structure to block the sun or other weather conditions. Shade comforts us, it protects us, creates memorable moments and environments, boosts business, and promotes fun and adventure. At Waterloo Tent and Tarp, we are the shade and canvas people. We strive to make shade for you when you need it, and canvas for where you'd least expect it. We determine our customers' needs and create a customized order for them, complete with specific dimensions and appropriate material and colors for their project. Our designers work with our sales team and use a variety of different programs to achieve the best possible representation of what the customer's structure will look like. After the design has been approved by the customer, it is then sent off to our dimensional graphics room. In here, our prep boys break apart the design into pieces. This process is much like demolishing a puzzle after it has been put together already. The reason for slicing up the design is so that all of the pieces of the design that are different colors and shapes can be programmed to the cutting table. After the pieces have been programmed in, vinyl material is laid out onto the cutting table. Once the machine is started, a pen tool moves over the table outlining all of the shapes. It will then go over the material with a straight or rolling blade to cut the pieces out. The material is then stacked on a cart according to the order of the schedule and moved on to either the heat sealing or sewing department depending on the type of fabric being used. If the order is set to go to the heat sealing department, there they will determine, based on the design, if the material must be glued before sealing. If the design has many shapes like stars or characters, they will then take all of the shapes and put them together based off of the drawing. Once this life-size puzzle is put together and the glue has set and dried, it will move on to be sealed. Basic designs like stripes or solids would not require any glue and go directly to heat sealing. The heat sealing machines use radio frequency welding to fuse the fibers in the material together. Once the material is lined up on the edges of two pieces, they will close the small patch bar or straight bar and the material will be sealed together. This takes about 4 seconds per seal. Now it is ready for sewing. When in sewing, our sewers check the order to make sure that the order is exactly what it's supposed to be and that they have all of the pieces. They also measure all of the material they receive to make sure all of the dimensions are correct. They bind edges when needed and do all of the sewing per drawing and add the finishing touches. When sewing is completed, the project moves on to our finishing department. There, our finishers will check everything over once more and add fasteners, ropes, and leather if needed. When the order is completed, it is then folded and boxed, and the order is given to the shipping office. Our shipping department then checks to assure that all customers' orders are correct and they have the correct shipping address. From there, the order is sent off to comfort, to protect, and to make memorable moments for the people who are truly behind our shade.